Flood warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Why again?
for SUMTER, Citrus, Hernando, and PASCO counties. At 2:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, emergency management reported slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Spring Hill, Newport Richey, Zephyrhills, Brooksville, Inverness, Wildwood, Dade City, Bushnell, Homosassa Springs, Beverly Hills, Hudson, Holiday, St. Leo, Weeki, Wachee, North Brooksville, South Brooksville, Hill and Dale, Hernando County Airport, Inverness Highlands South and Inverness Airport. Additional rainfall amounts of 3 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Tampa Bay has issued a flood warning for the Little Manatee River at Waimea plus 301.
Well, that was fucking unnecessary.